Crazy Chef, big vibe, real yardman style. Yeah man. Long time we don't do a video. We're doing a fall video. We're doing an ital video. We're doing a pumpkin video all in one. Yeah man. Respect. Like, share, subscribe to the vibe. Crazy Chef. Peace. Right? Today we're gonna make this Today we're gonna make this pumpkin stew. Right? So today we're making pumpkin stew. It's the fall season. You know, what are you gonna make in the fall if you're not making pumpkin, right? So we're gonna take some coconut oil. We're gonna add a little bit of this curry powder, right? You know, when we cook curry, we always say, you know, whenever you cook curry, you wanna make sure you burn your curry, right? So we're gonna take this curry powder, right? Then we're gonna add some peppers, onions, some garlic, and a little bit of thyme for flavor, right? So peppers, onions, garlic, a little bit of thyme. We're gonna put that in there. We're gonna add, so for this dish, right, you need seasoning, right, which would be your peppers, your onions, your garlic, your thyme. You need some green onions. You know me, if you ever cook with me before on the internet, you know I like to use that green onions, right? You're gonna need some okra. Whenever I make ital, I like to put a little bit of okra, so you're gonna need some okra. I'm gonna put some white beans in there, and of course you need pumpkin, right? You need your coconut milk, right? Can't do this without the coconut milk, right? So you need your coconut milk. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of cock soup. If you're a real italist, you can skip the cock soup, but I'm gonna put a little bit of cock soup. And as always, you can put salt if you want, you can put butter if you want. Your vibe is never necessarily my vibe, and you know my vibe's a big vibe, right? So Crazy Chef, big vibe. We're making pumpkin stew. We're gonna serve that up with a little bit of wild rice, right? So for the wild rice, we're just gonna make some steamed rice. We're gonna put our wild rice. We're gonna put some jasmine rice in there. Nothing fancy, something simple, just to complement this pumpkin stew. So our condiments are all set right now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add 2 cups of water, right? So we add 2 cups of water. We're gonna add some coconut milk, right? So 2 cups of water, some coconut milk. Let's put the whole thing in there just for a vibe, right? So coconut milk, and then we're gonna add some of that cock flavored soup, right? We're gonna add the cock flavored soup, and we're just gonna let that boil. We're gonna let that boil, but what we're gonna do now is we're gonna work on our wild rice, right? So stove on, now we're gonna add our pumpkin. What I did to my pumpkin is I did 2 things. I take the skin off some, but I left the skin on some, just for color. So we're gonna add our pumpkin. So we add our pumpkin. This is a pretty simple dish, guys. There's nothing hard. You just gotta make sure you don't cook your pumpkin too much. So you wanna add your pumpkin. We're gonna add green onions, tomatoes. Tomatoes gonna help with our gravy, right? We're gonna add white beans. So we add white beans to it, right? And then last but not least, we're gonna add our okra. Okra also is gonna help with your gravy. And you just wanna shut that off and just let it simmer, right? So you just wanna shut it off and let it simmer. Make sure you cover it. So cover it, not shut it off, I made a mistake. Just cover it and let it simmer, and then we'll get back to our pot. Alright people, so this is our pumpkin stew ital, right? As I said, we're gonna serve this up. Look how good that gravy looks. Tell me that gravy doesn't look delicious. Look at the colors, look how beautiful the colors are. Right? That's nice. We're gonna serve this up with some wild rice, and as I said, I mixed the wild rice with some jasmine rice. And Crazy Chef, big vibe. Look on that. As I said, your vibe, it's not my vibe. So, this is our jasmine wild rice. So a little bit of wild rice, right? It's a little bit of wild rice. Then I'm gonna put my pumpkin stew. Look at that pumpkin stew. Look at that pumpkin. Look at that. See that okra? Yeah, baby. Hold on. Look at the juice, right? Look how that rich, thick juice, right? No meat, right? No meat. Crazy Chef, big vibe. This is our ital is vital all the time, right? This is my pumpkin stew. It's fall season, first video in a long time. What's a better vibe than a pumpkin ital vibe? Crazy Chef, big vibe. Big vibe, real yardman style. Yeah man, long time we don't do a video. We're doing a fall video, we're doing an ital video, we're doing a pumpkin video all in one. Yeah man, respect, like.